final part of maths and the chapter is time. I showed you what are the importance of time. मैंने आपको सेकेंड वीडियो में पूरा क्लॉक को एक्सप्लेन किया है and now in this third part of the video I am going to explain you about days, months and the importance of date. पहले मुझे ये बात बताइए आपको कैसे पता कि आपका बर्थडे इस दिन पर आता है? Because your parents might have told you, they have noted somewhere. Just imagine if you don't have date, if you don't have time, if you don't know the month, how is it possible for us to remember when is what? And that is why date, time, month, years, everything is very important to us. Okay? Now here in this part you can see days of a week. एक वीक में एक सप्ताह में कितने दिन होते हैं बेटा? 7. Okay, 7. This is Monday, first day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. And if I show you on the board how you say, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday को हम holiday शो करते हैं हमेशा and Saturday is known as the weekend. Saturdays को weekend इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि पूरे सप्ताह में काम करके जो लोग थक जाते हैं वो लोग आउटिंग करते हैं and that is why maximum people go for outing on Saturdays and Sunday is a holiday. Now come to this part now. यहाँ पर आपने 12 देखा है. 12 means there are 12 months in a year. एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं. The first month is January. Next is January. मैं आपको days भी बताते रहती हूँ. January में कितने days होते हैं total? 31 days. This is February. February में कितने days होते हैं? 28 या 29. Why it is confusion? I'll tell you. Normally in the common years there are 28 days in month of February and 29 कब आता है? लीप ईयर में. आप पिछले साल का अगर आपके घर में कैलेंडर है तो आप ज़रूर देखिएगा. लास्ट ईयर वॉज अ लीप ईयर और मैंने आपको वर्कशीट में भी दिया है. आप लर्न करोगे आप समझ जाओगे. सो व्हेन आफ्टर एवरी 4th ईयर देयर इज अ लीप ईयर एंड लीप ईयर कैरीज 29 डेज. ओके. नाउ मार्च मंथ है. मार्च मंथ में कितने डेज होते हैं बेटा? 31. April are having 30 days. May month 31 days. June month 30 days. July month 31 days. Again August 31 days. September is having 30 days. October 31 days. November 30 days. And December 31 days. Because you all say कि 31st मनाने हम जा रहे हैं. And the new year starts from every 1st of January. That means January is the first month of the year. Now let me explain you by let me recall the names only rather than the days. We will just learn the months. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. अक्टूबर नहीं बोलेंगे आप. It is pronounced as October. This is November and this is December. Now, how you will come to know कि कब Sunday है कब क्या है? You might be having this kind of calendar in your house, है ना? कैलेंडर होते हैं. यहाँ नंबर्स दिए हैं, ऊपर आपको डेज दिया है और यहाँ पर मंथ शो किया है. Now which month is going on? January. January is the first month of our year. अब यहाँ January लिखा है. SUN हमेशा रेड में आएगा बिकॉज दैट इज अ हॉलीडे. तो जब भी हॉलीडे के डेज आते हैं या डेट शो किया जाता है इट इज मार्क्ड ओनली इन रेड कलर. आई होप यू कैन सी दिस वेरी नाइसली. दिस इज मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. ओके. देयर आर 7 days in a week. Sorry, I told you just now. And these are all the dates. It is not called the numbers. It is known as the dates. 1st January कब आया था? फ्राइडे को. 2nd January सैटरडे को. So on you can read out. Then नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट मंथ? सेकेंड मंथ कौन सा है? February. Let us see what is February. This is the February month. Again there are the days given to you, days of a week. These numbers which are given are the dates of the month of February. And how many days are shown here? Just now I told you 28 days. Don't forget, overall if you see in a common month there are 365 days. जो मैंने आपको वर्कशीट में दिया है, सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स रिलेटेड टू द टाइम, डेट एंड टाइम एंड डेट. So please do learn that. Normally in a common year there are 365 days. लेकिन जब भी लीप ईयर होगा एक दिन बढ़ के आएगा. उस लीप ईयर में फरवरी मंथ में 29 डेज हुआ, तो 365 प्लस 1 विल गिव यू 366. So overall there are 366 days in a leap year. Children, please do learn all the important things I have given you in written, and I request your parents also to help you, guide you whatever I am sending you in the videos, ताकि आपको वो बहुत जल्दी समझ में आने लग जाए, ताकि in the next class you don't have any confusion or the problem. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.